Hello, I'm Andrew Urban from Keller Williams Realty and My Urban Home Team. Welcome to number 285 Windjammer. It's in the Port of Call condominium complex in Vallejo, California. It's a very nice secluded complex that has maybe 100 or so condos, and each of them has some very nice views, as you will see in a moment. This condo is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo with just over 1,150 square feet and has a large living area and a large eat-in kitchen dining room combination. It also has a nice deck, which we'll see, so please come and have a look with me right now. This is the view south down Windjammer Drive, and looking towards Benicia, looking towards the Carquinez Strait. So we're here, this complex is kind of on the edge of Vallejo and Benicia, right in that area near the end of Columbus Parkway, and it's very nicely maintained. Each of the units has a 1-car garage, and there's plenty of guest parking available. If not right here, then certainly just in the other parking area right down there. Once we come up to the level that's above the garages, we come into this courtyard that's nice and airy, has some nice greenery, and during the day gets some nice daylight. And we're going to our number 285 right here in the corner. As we walk in the front entrance, we come into the living room. Nice bamboo flooring. Looking out at the back of the building, we have some nice light in the afternoon sun, and there's a fireplace right there, wood burning fireplace. Here is the balcony, and then we move right into the kitchen and a really large area for dining room possibilities. Again, some nice windows right here to keep things nice and bright. And then in the kitchen we have a refrigerator, an electric stove, dishwasher, and behind these doors a washer dryer setup. This is bathroom number 1. It's the hall bathroom, the guest bathroom, and it has a shower over the tub. This is bedroom number 1, facing the back of the property. Nice spacious area with a walk-in closet right there. Okay, this is the master bedroom with the master bathroom and vanity area. Again, a shower over the tub. And then quite a nice large master bedroom, windows facing the back of the complex, and then quite a large walk-in closet. And this would be the room, the door back to the hallway. Through the slider from the living room, we go out onto this balcony, onto this deck. Very nice shady area, and it has a really nice outlook into some trees.